I knew this was bad, but not that bad. God damn. Imagine being bored instead of watching my video. So many moons ago, I put out a vlog where I went to Washington with my family. And that is considered the worst vlog I've ever put out in my life. I'll just... bro, just look at this example.
You know, I'm hip and cool. Guys, eggs. Cause you know, my fuck eggs. Oz as a clown.
I've already shown you 2 clips and I'm already cringing really hard. And this is light work compared to how bad it got in the 7-part series. So what I wanted to do for this video is I wanted to see with my new editing skills that I've acquired, if I can re-edit this vlog and save it. Because honestly, that was the most expensive vacation I've ever been on with my family and I can't even put it public. It's just that bad. So during the era of 2017, it was very normal for people to make vlogs that were like 30 minutes long and 5 parts. Nowadays, that's not the case. Nobody has the attention span anymore thanks to TikTok. So the first things I would do for this vlog is make everything short and sweet. I turned a 45-hour project into an 11-minute video. Another thing is if the audio of your video is terrible, do voiceovers and sound effects. It makes a world of a difference. And finally, nobody cares about you. The entire point of a video to be good is that it shows something or shows some sort of value. If it's all about you, which I used to think when it was back in 2017, nobody's really gonna stick around. And finally, don't forget, transitions are very important. Add sounds to transitions. You'll thank me later. Guys, I just woke up. It's 8 in the morning and I'm really tired. Let's go. It's 9:27 in the morning. Instead of a normal backpack, I have this. Here we have the dog. I'm having breakfast. And anybody else who's in a Hispanic family knows that we tend to bring the entire house to one vacation. So here's a quick fun fact. This vlog is the reason why I ended up changing video editing programs. I went from Filmora to Premiere Pro because I thought it would give me better video editing quality. And to be honest with you, I never went back. Something I want to keep in mind is that during this timeline, I wanted to be as authentic as possible with these videos. But being around my parents who embarrass the shit out of me every time, it was impossible. That's why before, the vlogs came out terrible.
Bird. Go squawk.
So the first stop on day 1 and day 2 is Seaside Heights. And of course, we always go all out when it comes to eating.
Look, it's us!
And the thing I like about this place is that they got self-portraits of me. As with every vacation, usually the first day is the most hectic, and you spend most of it buying stuff you need so the rest of the vacation goes smooth.
You guys got life jackets for little kids? No?
Oh, for little kids?
Yeah, for little kids.
Is over there.
No hesitation, she said. 4XL, not in the store.
I'm sorry, but actually, company policy, you're not actually allowed to do any recording in here.
So we checked into our quality assured hotel after we got everything we needed for the rest of our trip, and we set up a fire hazard in our room. That same night, I ended up going off to the Boardwalk by myself because I wanted to see what was going on with the local activities. But due to the rain, we got a good amount of fog and it looks cinematic. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the worst thing to ever be during this timeline of 2017 is a YouTube vlogger. The amount of young adults who want to video bomb you every chance they get is insane. Hello everybody, I have merch! If you like what you see and you want to support the channel, I have shirts, hoodies, cups, mouse pads, and even hats. You can find the link to the website in the description below. So today we're at the beach because yesterday we were busy trying to buy everything we needed for the rest of the week. It is currently 11 a.m., which is really early for this beach to be open, but it's usually the best time for me to get in. So another fun fact, during this time I bought really cheap equipment because that's all I could afford, and it was so cheap that I lost my expensive GoPro at the time, which was $500 by the way, in the ocean, which luckily I actually did find it insane. Then after fooling around a little bit more at the hotel's pool, I ended up going to the Boardwalk by myself to play a few games, and I saw something very spectacular.
I got you.
It is actually very rare to see this around here, so I thought why not let me have a try the guitar. So yeah, that was cool. So usually around this time, the nightlife is actually very active. Well, you even have a Bible study out.
What happens when you die?
Judgment.
Judgment.
There we go.
That's a good answer, but what happens from that judgment?
Decomposition. Depression.
Do you remember when I told you that whenever somebody sees you with a camera during 2017, everybody wants to join in?
Look, guys. More white people. Woo! Woo! You see what I mean?
Wow, but I guess you're doing you. Look at you.
Yeah.
Knows everything, huh?
I'm back and I'm black as ever, understand? You understand me? Heavy metal rule. Rap sucks.
This guy is the best guy I ever met because he's literally a police siren.
We got Jurassic Park here. That's how you do it, guys.
Short! Oh, he missed!
Bro. Damn, yo.
I'm black and I'm racist.
The key to ending racism: a fat man and a black man holding each other in front of a camera.
Good morning, you bunch of...
French-shaped people.
This is day 3 of OZ Goes To wherever the he's going to.
Well, the video is called the Washington Vlog, so we're going to Washington soon. Just right now, we're gonna pack everything up and then we're gonna leave.
We're leaving right now. We're going to Washington, D.C. Goodbye, hotel. You will be missed.
I am Dora Dog, and I go bark. The change in editing is carrying this video like. And if you can't tell from the title of the chapter, this one's a serious one. So, as far as I'm concerned, this trip is the most American thing I've ever done. We went to the Arlington Cemetery, we ate, we went to the shopping mall, we cried, we ate, went to the shopping mall, we cried, rinse, repeat, as American as it gets. So this was going to be a little bit different from the last 3 musicals. So today we're going to Busch Gardens, but first we need to get some breakfast. They got more options here than a woman in an unhappy relationship. So Busch Gardens is a place I rarely ever go to. There are no Busch Gardens where I live at, but today was super dumb packed, as you can tell. So for those who don't know, Busch Gardens is like an amusement park slash zoo. There's not a whole bunch of animals, depends where you really go. But it's great for anybody who's in between, who wants to just like walk around and chill out instead of going on all super hardcore ride like I did.
Get to the chopper! Pull out! Pull out! Pull out! Good job, guys! Club!
So that was a great vacation. Now let's go home. And this, guys, is a great example of how you should make a vlog in modern era, where nobody can pay attention for more than 5 minutes. So 11 minutes might be a stretch, but at least you got to see 7 days in one video and not 20 videos.